Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check TikTok account warning, and here's how it is done. Let us open up the TikTok app. The first place we are going to look is by tapping on profile at the very bottom right. Then right under your username, if you have an account warning, you will see it in red, account warning. If you tap on it, it will look something like this. Account warning, your account is at high risk of being restricted due to multiple violations of the community guidelines. You can go through the process of submitting an appeal if you want to get those lifted. You can also check your account for any issues by tapping on the three lines at the top right and selecting TikTok Studio at the very top. Under More Tools, tap on Account Check. This will reveal your login, post, comments, profile, direct messages, and any photos or videos you have posted. If you have a warning associated with your account for multiple violations, it will pop up here. You'll be able to go through the entire process of appealing it directly from there. Make sure you provide as much information as you can about why you don't think the video or issue should have been flagged, including screenshots or a little video to help bolster your case. So hopefully they will remove that violation and accept your appeal. That is everything you need to know about how to check TikTok account warning. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.